now invite Sonali Agnihotri, Director of Wadhwani NEN, to announce the awards for India.
Thank you, Aarti. A very warm welcome to each one of you. It gives me great pleasure to be a part of this event. A big thank you to you for making time out to celebrate with us and making it even more meaningful. It's my honor to recognize and celebrate you. I'd like to start with celebrating and recognizing our platinum faculty first. We have 2 award winners in the category. Professor Saptaparna Chandra, who she's a versatile personality and a complete favorite with the students in the field of entrepreneurship. She's from IEM Management House, Calcutta. Professor Veni Nair, she headed the entrepreneurship division at ITM Navi Mumbai until December 21, where she was driving our programs very successfully along with her co-faculty team. Congratulations to both of you. We now move on to our gold category awards. We have 12 winners here. Hearty congratulations to all of you and thank you for your support. We start with Devdeep Bhanja Chaudhary from Netaji Subhash Engineering College, Calcutta, Dr. Vikas Hajare from MKS Cummins College of Engineering, Pune, and Shreyas Biswas from Shanti Business School, Ahmedabad. Congratulations to all 3 of you. Of course, Dr. Neelam Saxena from Amity University, Noida, Rituparna Mukherjee from IEM Management House, Calcutta, Sadish Prabhu from BS Abdur Rahman University, Chennai. Hearty congratulations to all of you once again. Professor Somnath Datta from BGU Bhubaneswar, Professor Mahendra Shetty from MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune, who I had the privilege of meeting as well, Professor Dibankar Roy Chowdhury from IEM Engineering Campus, Calcutta. Congratulations, professors. We have Professor Ibrahim Vai from BS Abdur Rahman University, Chennai, Professor Santosh Rubello from St. Aloysius College, Mangalore, Professor Amit Agarwal from IIIT, Naya Raipur. We move on to the Silver Award category as well. Here we have 20 faculty members that we would like to felicitate. Each of you have contributed immensely to the success of your students in their venture journey. And like Chris mentioned earlier, we truly hope to see the association grow with you and see you as we work collectively towards, creating stellar student outcomes, and see you next year in the gold category. Congratulations to each and every one of you. We move on to our next category, which is our Global Jury Awards. At the onset, we would like to thank you for validating our efforts in supporting startups. We have 3 pioneers in the Platinum category. We have Jigar Jivani from Venture Studio, Ahmedabad University. Congratulations, Jigar. Dr. Subrata Chattopadhyay from UEM, the Department of Business Administration, Calcutta. Professor Utiya Sarkar from Dream Institute of Technology, Kolkata. Thank you very much. Your support is invaluable. We have the 21 members from the global jury in the gold category and would like to recognize and thank each one of you. We have Yogesh Mehta from SGT University, Gurgaon, Taran Kumar Thinakaran from SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore, Sadish Prabhu from BS Abdur Rahman University, Chennai. Congratulations. We have Jeevanatham Sundarasamy from LabView, Jaiman Bhavsar from AIC JUSEC, and Akran Velankar from MKS Cummins College of Engineering, Pune. We have Praveen Angel Michael from Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Coimbatore, Rituparna Mukherjee from IEM Management House, Calcutta, Chitra Muthuraman from SRM University from Chennai. Congratulations to all of you. Sheenu Jain from IIHMR, Dr. Shivani Trivedi from SK Patel, Ahmedabad, and Buchi Babu from IPQC Consulting Services. Thank you for your support. We have Nugen Ahali Narahari from RV College of Engineering, Bengaluru. We have Dhanalakshmi K from Ramaya Institute of Management and Sciences, Bangalore. And we have Anupama Modi from Entrepreneurship Anchors. Congratulations. Congratulations, Meghna Bandi from Rishi UBR PG College for Women, Hyderabad, Raghubir Chauhan from Modern School of Entrepreneurship Education, Ramesh Kumar A from BS Abdul Rahman University, Chennai. I wish this was live and we could have some applause, Aarti. I mean, if I wish it was in person. Okay, can we move on to the next? Dr. Jyoti Chandwani from Vivekananda Education Society, Institute of Management Studies and Research, Kavya Seni from ICFAI Jaipur, SS Wali B from BS Abdul Rahman Chennai. Congratulations. And then we have the silver awardees. We've done really well. Thank you all for your support. We have 61 winners in this category. And like Aarti said, the proof is in the pudding. Your endorsement is extremely inspiring. The feedback given is really helpful to the ventures. And we truly appreciate the time that you take out for the evaluations and cannot thank you enough. Look forward to a continued association with each one of you. Thank you all. And now it's time for our institute partners. So while we've worked with over 100 institutes pan-India, we would like to shout out to a few in particular. We have 2 in the platinum category, both are from Calcutta. We have UEM from Calcutta, and we have Netaji Subhash Engineering College from Calcutta. So thank you so much. You all have really, supported us and worked with us in our mission. We appreciate that. In the gold category as well, we've got IEM Management House, BS Abdul Rahman from Chennai, MIT Academy of Engineering from Pune, MKS Cummins College of Engineering from Pune, IEM again, which is the engineering department, and ITM from Navi Mumbai. So thank you, all of you. Congratulations. In the silver category, we've got 14 institutes. It is gratifying working with your faculty and your students. So thank you again, and congratulations on your awards and your wins. We look forward to an outcome-driven association as well that is long-term. And finally, the most exciting part for me, which is our stars, our students, the Student Entrepreneurship Excellence Awards. They're here. So we have shortlisted 27 ventures that deserve all the accolades, appreciation, recognition, and support. You do us proud, guys, and we are with you as you embark further along your venture journey and take great pride in what you've achieved so far. I'm going to quickly read out your venture names. We have from BS Abdul Rahman, we have 5 ventures. We have PowerCube, we have V3ABs, we have UMP, Metal, and Grow Together Sports Academy. From IEM Management House, we've got Blooming Bunnies, Perfect Blenders, Sky High, Visionary Players, Abstrio. Congratulations. From SIS School of Business Studies, we have LTP, Snackwell, Life Healthcare. From UEM Calcutta, we have Freshers Venture, Nemesis from CareMate. We have ASP, DAD, No Way Home, and Code Runners. These 4 are from BML Munjal University. Congratulations. And then from Amity University, we have Celine. We have from BGU, we have Energy Bunkers. From IIT Mandi, we have Alchemist, Park My Car. From Shanti Business School, we have Herbal and Hair. From IEM Engineering Campus, we have Carafico. From IIIT Naya Raipur, we have Alpha Factors. From JK Lakshmipat University, we have Helms. From MKS Cummins, we've got Green Machines. From Symbiosis Center, we have Rootworks.